AI has emerged as a game changer in digital marketing, revolutionizing the way businesses engage with their audience and drive results. Leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, AI enables marketers to unlock unprecedented levels of personalization and efficiency across various channels. From predictive analytics that forecast consumer behavior to personalized content generation and real-time campaign optimization, AI empowers marketers to make data-driven decisions and deliver highly relevant experiences to their target audience. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants streamline customer service processes, providing instant support and guidance to users. Furthermore, AI enhances segmentation and targeting capabilities, allowing marketers to reach the right audience with the right message at the right time. Overall, AI is reshaping the digital marketing landscape, enabling businesses to achieve greater ROI and customer satisfaction through smarter, more effective marketing strategies. AI is a tool, it's a technology. It's as useful as the person putting it to work. Clark Boyd, founder at Novella and marketing and management professor. AI in digital marketing encompasses a wide array of applications and technologies that leverage artificial intelligence to revolutionize marketing strategies and campaigns. At its core, AI enables marketers to harness the power of data analytics and machine learning to gain deeper insights into consumer behavior, preferences, and trends. By analyzing vast amounts of data from multiple sources, including social media, website interactions, and purchase history, AI algorithms can identify patterns and predict future actions, allowing marketers to anticipate customer needs and tailor their messaging and offers accordingly. Moreover, AI facilitates personalization at scale by enabling marketers to deliver highly targeted content, product recommendations, and advertisements to individual users based on their unique interests and behaviors. One of the most significant advantages of AI in digital marketing is its ability to automate repetitive tasks and streamline workflows. AI-powered tools and platforms can automate email marketing campaigns, schedule social media posts, and manage customer interactions through chatbots and virtual assistants, freeing up marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. Additionally, AI-driven automation enables real-time optimization of marketing campaigns by continuously monitoring performance metrics and making data-driven adjustments to improve results. Whether it's adjusting ad targeting parameters, refining email subject lines, or optimizing website content for search engines, AI empowers marketers to optimize their efforts and maximize ROI. Furthermore, AI enhances customer engagement and satisfaction by enabling more personalized and interactive experiences. Chatbots equipped with natural language processing capabilities can provide instant support to customers, answer their questions, and guide them through the purchasing process, improving overall satisfaction and loyalty. Additionally, AI-powered recommendation engines can deliver personalized product recommendations and content suggestions, enhancing the relevance and value of interactions with brands. Overall, AI is reshaping the landscape of digital marketing by providing marketers with powerful tools and insights to better understand their audience, optimize their campaigns, and deliver more personalized and impactful experiences. As AI technologies continue to evolve and mature, they will play an increasingly central role in driving innovation and growth in the digital marketing industry. Why use AI in marketing? There are several compelling reasons to use AI in marketing. Data analysis and insights. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, providing marketers with valuable insights into consumer behavior, preferences, and trends. This enables data-driven decision-making and allows marketers to tailor their strategies to better meet the needs of their target audience. Personalization. AI enables marketers to deliver highly personalized experiences to individual consumers based on their interests, behaviors, and past interactions with the brand. Personalized marketing has been shown to increase engagement, conversion rates, and customer loyalty. Automation and efficiency. AI-powered tools can automate repetitive tasks such as data entry, content creation, and campaign optimization, freeing up marketers to focus on more strategic initiatives. This not only saves time and resources but also allows marketers to scale their efforts and reach a larger audience more effectively. Predictive analytics. AI algorithms can forecast future trends and consumer behavior based on historical data, helping marketers anticipate market shifts, identify opportunities, and proactively adjust their strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Improved customer experience. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant support to customers, answering their questions, resolving issues, and guiding them through the sales process. This enhances the overall customer experience by providing timely and personalized assistance, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Optimized advertising. AI-powered ad platforms use machine learning algorithms to optimize ad placements, targeting, and bidding strategies in real time, ensuring that ads are served to the most relevant audience segments at the right time and on the most effective channels. This maximizes ROI and campaign performance. Overall, AI offers marketers a wide range of benefits, including enhanced data analysis, personalized experiences, automation, predictive analytics, improved customer experience, and optimized advertising, ultimately leading to better results and ROI. As AI technologies continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, their role in marketing will only continue to grow. How are digital marketers using AI? Everyone from social media management teams to CRO experts and SEO marketers can use AI in digital marketing, whether it's for simple task automation, collecting data, or coming up with creative ideas. Here are 7 popular use cases for AI in digital marketing. Brainstorming. You can harness the power of AI to enhance your creativity, efficiency, and strategic decision-making. AI-powered SaaS tools can be used to generate topic ideas, suggest keywords, and identify emerging trends, which ultimately drives impactful and data-driven marketing initiatives. An AI model like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm article headlines and topics, or even come up with ideas for visualization. Moreover, you can use ChatGPT to create presentations and generate compelling content for your audience. All you need to do is type in a prompt like, "Give me 5 ideas for blog posts about your topic or niche." Artificial intelligence won't replace human creativity, but it can be a great assistant. Using ChatGPT to brainstorm blog post ideas. Most marketing tools have integrated with ChatGPT to help you brainstorm ideas without ever leaving their platform. Research and customer data analysis. AI tools can analyze the performance of past campaigns and identify patterns of success, enabling you to develop more effective marketing strategies. Since AI marketing can analyze data from diverse sources, social media, market trends, consumer behavior, etc., it's able to deliver deep insights into the success of your marketing campaigns. AI technology relies on high-quality data to develop customer profiles and optimize marketing campaigns. That's why having access to a well-equipped customer data platform is a must for anyone who wants to get the most out of artificial intelligence. AI tools can also assist in competitor analysis by automating data collection and data analysis. This could allow you to gain a competitive edge by uncovering competitor tactics, keywords, and market positioning. Content creation. Using artificial intelligence tools for content creation is probably one of the most popular applications of AI in marketing. New AI tech like ChatGPT can perform complex tasks like providing content recommendations, suggesting headlines, writing your outlines, or even generating entire articles based on your topics and keywords. AI can also assist in content optimization by analyzing user engagement and behavior, identifying areas for improvement, and suggesting strategies for enhancing your content marketing performance. Using an AI writing tool in your content creation process will expedite your workflow by generating engaging content rapidly and at scale. Using ChatGPT to write an introduction reporting is another popular way of using artificial intelligence. AI tools can help ensure you're getting accurate data, allowing you to uncover meaningful patterns, trends, and insights. It can also generate comprehensive reports with visualizations. Whatever KPIs you're using, an AI marketing tool can help you evaluate your web pages and social media presence. Additionally, AI tools excel at identifying anomalies and areas that could use improvement, highlighting opportunities for optimization. This is great because the more data you have and the better you analyze it, the better you'll connect with your target audience. Personalization. Consumers expect tailored experiences, especially in the realm of e-commerce. One-to-one personalization has been hard to achieve in the past, but with the help of AI-powered tools, it's become much easier. This tool uses the power of AI to match the messaging of your landing pages to your paid ads automatically, boosting relevancy and conversions. You can effortlessly personalize hundreds of landing pages at once with just a few clicks and boost PPC conversion rates by up to 100%. By automating this process, you can multiply the results of your paid ad campaigns, ensuring that visitors are greeted with a landing page that resonates with their individual interests. You can also use artificial intelligence to personalize your web page by offering customer-specific product recommendations and dynamic pricing. AI algorithms can deliver personalized recommendations in real time, whether it's on a website, through email marketing, or via personalized ads. Mass optimization. Traditionally, optimizing product pages for higher conversion rates involved a time-consuming and resource-intensive process. However, with the advent of AI, businesses can now execute large-scale strategies that transcend the limitations of manual optimization. The Smart Product Page Optimizer is a cutting-edge tool designed to revolutionize the way e-commerce stores approach conversion rate optimization. Here's how this tool can elevate your optimization strategy while preserving the essence of human creativity. Decide what you want to optimize on your product pages and tell the AI with just a few clicks. Let the AI analyze your product pages and write headlines, benefit lists, and descriptions for all your products. Watch the magic unfold as the new elements are added to your product pages automatically. The AI will keep testing and optimizing these elements based on data. This level of automation allows businesses to optimize hundreds of product pages simultaneously, saving time and resources while freeing up creative minds for more strategic endeavors. Improving customer experience. Finally, there are lots of digital marketing tools that can enhance your customer service experience. AI tools like chatbots can provide rapid customer support and accurate assistance around the clock on your website or on Facebook Messenger. Many chatbots can also be programmed to hand a customer over to your customer service team when human expertise is needed. Artificial intelligence, or AI, might sound like an oxymoron, but it is making our world smarter by automating tasks, computing solutions, and improving efficiencies. Once the stuff of science fiction, AI is increasingly playing a role in our lives in some very subtle ways. Let's take commuting as an example. If you drive a car to work, you probably spend some time in traffic. AI is helping to reduce your commute time by feeding real-time data to mapping software to adjust for congestion, construction, and accidents. If you use mass transit, AI is helping to ensure optimal service. And if you rely on a ride-sharing app like Uber or Lyft for the last part of your commute, AI enables that service by predicting pickup times, ride times, and ride sharing. Your commute is only one everyday example. AI is also prevalent in your daily world if you use Siri, Google, email, Facebook, Alexa, Amazon, Instagram, Netflix, Pandora, and countless other technologies we have come to rely on. Yes, AI is everywhere. AI is now also prevalent in the digital marketing domain as well, working in the background while making pay-per-click advertising more effective, personalizing websites, creating content, predicting behavior, and more. Marketers are quickly realizing the benefits of the technology, and 84% of marketing organizations are implementing or expanding their use of AI and machine learning in 2018, according to Forbes. There are two ways businesses can use AI to improve their digital marketing. One is on the back end when marketers use AI to forecast demand for products, develop customer profiles, do programmatic ad buying, and the like. The other is the customer-facing side, as marketers use AI to improve the customer experience, thereby strengthening the brand and making more sales. In fact, 75% of organizations using AI and machine learning say it enhances customer satisfaction by more than 10%. 4 ways companies are using AI in digital marketing to improve customer satisfaction. When it comes to improving the customer experience using AI, 4 significant developments stand out: chatbots, predictive and targeted content, content creation, and image recognition technology. Each of these can help to improve customer service and support, as well as deliver more targeted and relevant content. Here's what you need to know about these technologies and how they can benefit your bottom line. Chatbots. A chatbot is a software that can have conversations, or chat, using AI to determine responses. You might have used a chatbot while on a website looking for answers to a question. Chatbots can conduct either auditory or textual conversations, the latter usually appearing as chat windows on your computer screen. Also called messenger bots, chatbots have been called 2017's best new marketing channel. Obviously, a chatbot is not going out into the world to market your business. It's nothing like the kind of marketing channel you've used in the past, like ads or emails. But chatbots are effective marketing tools, especially in social media, because they can provide customer service which helps both your customer and your brand, gather data on customers which helps you target your messaging, and deliver those targeted messages on your behalf. Chatbots can even move customers through the sales funnel by asking more specific questions to help customers find the products they're looking for. National Australia Bank, NAB, launched a chatbot as a digital virtual banker for their business customers to save those customers time on administrative tasks. The chatbot is available to answer customer questions 24 hours a day and every day. The software is capable of answering more than 13,000 variations on more than 200 questions, drawing on real-life customer inquiries for answers. Predictive and targeted content. In addition to answering questions via chatbots, AI can be used to gather more data about prospects and customers. Then AI can use that data to predict future behavior as well as develop more targeted messaging. That content might be delivered by a chatbot as described above, via dynamic content on a web page, or by email. That's because AI can help to deliver the right email message at the right time by using dynamic content and determining that content based on past customer behavior. By knowing which web pages a customer visited, which blog posts they read, which emails they've interacted with, and more, AI can intelligently select the content most likely to appeal to a specific customer and automatically populate an email with that content. Using what's called churn prediction, AI can also predict when customers are disengaging from a brand. They help to provide personalized content that's most likely to appeal to and re-engage them. Content creation. And then there's the need for vast quantities of content. Ever since the dawn of content marketing, marketers have listed content creation as one of the biggest challenges they face. Creating quality content takes time, and effective marketing requires a lot of it. AI can help by generating some of that content for you. The content can be articles consisting of hundreds of words and read as if a live human being wrote it. You can read an article on AI written by AI here. or the content generated can be more specific, such as the email subject lines and social media ads written in the AI-generated language developed by Pasado. In either case, the content created is customer-focused and purposeful, intended to be useful to that customer seeking information or scanning their inbox or social media pages, without requiring countless hours on the part of an employee or freelancer to generate that content. Intelligent marketers stay on top of all trends. Artificial intelligence has become intertwined in our technologies and our lives, making it easy for us as consumers to benefit. But marketers must learn how to adapt the benefits of AI to their jobs too, to improve customer experiences, strengthen brand loyalty, and increase revenues. And AI is only one of the many new tools, trends, and technologies marketers must stay on top of. That's why Simplilearn offers a comprehensive digital marketing certification course that trains marketers in 8 areas, including search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, social media marketing, and more. It's the kind of training that's designed to keep you and your whole team current and confident in the digital age. Pros of AI in digital marketing. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into digital marketing strategies heralds a new era of unparalleled efficiency, effectiveness, and innovation. One of the foremost advantages lies in the ability of AI to process and analyze vast amounts of data at speeds beyond human capability. This enables marketers to gain deeper insights into customer behavior, preferences, and trends, allowing for highly targeted and personalized campaigns. By leveraging AI-powered analytics tools, businesses can identify patterns and correlations within data sets, uncovering hidden opportunities and optimizing marketing strategies in real time. Additionally, AI-driven algorithms can automate tedious tasks such as audience segmentation, content optimization, and A/B testing, freeing up valuable time and resources for more strategic endeavors. Moreover, AI enhances the customer experience by enabling dynamic content creation, personalized recommendations, and conversational interfaces, fostering deeper engagement and loyalty. Furthermore, AI facilitates predictive modeling and forecasting, enabling marketers to anticipate market trends, identify potential leads, and optimize ad spend with greater accuracy. Overall, the pros of AI in digital marketing are vast, ranging from increased efficiency and effectiveness to enhanced customer engagement and predictive insights, positioning businesses at the forefront of innovation and success in the digital age. Salary packages in digital marketing using AI. In the dynamic landscape of digital marketing, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, has become a game changer, offering unprecedented opportunities for businesses to optimize their marketing strategies and drive results. As AI continues to revolutionize the way brands engage with consumers online, professionals skilled in both digital marketing and AI are in high demand, commanding competitive salary packages. The compensation for roles in digital marketing using AI varies depending on factors such as job title, experience, geographic location, and industry sector. Entry-level positions, such as AI marketing assistants or digital marketing analysts with AI proficiency, typically offer salaries ranging from $50,000 to $80,000 per year, with the potential for bonuses and benefits. Mid-level positions, such as AI marketing specialists or AI strategy managers, can command salaries between $80,000 and $120,000 annually, reflecting their expertise in leveraging AI-driven insights to optimize marketing campaigns and drive business growth. Senior-level roles, such as AI marketing directors or chief marketing officers, CMOs, with a focus on AI integration, often earn salaries exceeding $150,000 per year, reflecting their strategic leadership in shaping AI-driven marketing initiatives and driving organizational success. Additionally, professionals with specialized skills in areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics may command premium salaries due to their advanced expertise in harnessing AI technologies to deliver measurable business impact. Overall, the increasing reliance on AI in digital marketing has created a lucrative career path for individuals with the right blend of marketing acumen and AI proficiency, offering competitive salary packages and ample opportunities for career advancement in a rapidly evolving field. In conclusion, the integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into digital marketing strategies represents a transformative leap forward for businesses in the digital age. The myriad benefits of AI, from advanced data analysis to personalized customer experiences, enable marketers to operate with unprecedented efficiency and effectiveness. By harnessing the power of AI-driven analytics tools, businesses can gain deeper insights into consumer behavior, optimize marketing campaigns in real time, and anticipate market trends with greater accuracy. Moreover, AI enhances the customer experience by enabling personalized content recommendations, dynamic ad targeting, and conversational interfaces, fostering deeper engagement and loyalty. As AI continues to evolve and permeate every aspect of digital marketing, businesses that embrace this technology stand to gain a significant competitive advantage in an increasingly crowded marketplace. Ultimately, AI represents not just a tool for marketers but a catalyst for innovation, driving businesses towards greater success and growth in the digital landscape. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics. See you next time.